What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And say it ain't so, the 1 of 10 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio Racing has crashed in Switzerland, and the Italian car is heavily damaged but possibly still repairable. Now, a 32-year-old Swiss man destroyed one of the examples of the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio Racing, and the damage is between 50,000 to 100,000 euros. And the splendid Giulia Quadrifoglio Alfa Romeo Racing has in fact bounced back to the headlines of these very last few days due to an incident that destroyed the car, causing so much damage. Now, the accident, which took place in Switzerland, seems to have been caused by reasons attributable to high speeds expressed in a stretch of road open to regular traffic. In any case, the sturdiness of the structure of the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio put the two occupants out of danger of life, who were only taken to the Swiss emergency room. And the accident took on some significance due to the unique characteristics of the Alfa Romeo sedan, produced in a limited edition of 10 units in collaboration with Sauber after Alfa Romeo's return to Formula 1. Now, the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio Alfa Romeo Racing was presented together with the Stelvio during the 2019 Geneva Motor Show, and is characterized by a livery inspired by the C38 of Formula 1 managed on the track. Now, among the characteristic elements is the Akrapovic exhaust system that expels an impressive sound by the V6 2.9-liter bi-turbo engine under the front hood and capable of delivering 520 horsepower, 600 Nm of torque. Now, there is also a braking system with carbon ceramic brakes and an 8-speed automatic gearbox equipped with aluminum levers that are positioned behind the steering wheel trim. Now, the seats are the Sparco racing seats with the carbon shell, which together with the lighting elements allow to contain the light weight of about 28 kilograms compared to the standard variants. Then you can see the red brake calipers and the rearview mirror caps in carbon, as well as the inserts of the side skirts. Now, unfortunately, this brings back up the story of a Stelvio Quadrifoglio Alfa Romeo Racing stolen last summer. Two of these Alfa Romeo Racing cars are down, but this does have the opportunity to get repaired. Now, to me, in the only photo that it shows, it seems as if the airbag has been deployed. And normally, if the frame is bent or if the airbag deploys, a lot of car insurance agencies will declare the car as totaled. I hope that's not it in this case, but still, 50 to 100,000 euros is a lot to replace this car. So with that said, what do you guys think? Should the owner just give it up? Should they walk away, take their L, take their loss? Or should they try to repair this 1 of 10 specimen? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this Alfa Romeo Racing Giulia 1 of 10 destroyed in Switzerland. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also help support by checking out the Ron's Rise merch, where you can get t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise. Now, you can also check me out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you won't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.